Hello everybody, and it's Extreme Boyo here, and I've got my Fidget cube. I just got it today, and I wanted to show you guys it. And yeah. It's bad, you know that? Ignore me saying that, because my brother's talking. And yeah.
If you had a computer, you'd be able to edit me out, but no.
Yeah.
Spin it. Spin it.
And then we have these. And then we have this rollable one. This one makes noise.
That's really lame, dude.
This one did it. This one makes a lot of noise. This one makes the loudest noise. And yeah, that. And then we go up here, we got this thing. And then where is it?
Yeah, that's really lame, dude, I'll be honest.
And then we have this thing to rub your finger on or something. Feels pretty soft or something.
I say lame, I mean like really lame. What do you do with it?
Well, you could just put your hand on it when you're using it, like something that actually feels good.
That's it? You put the hand on it?
My favorite thing's probably the flicking thing, this thing.
That's it, you just flick the thing.
It's fun to play with.
That's what kids are considering fun nowadays?
Another fun one is probably the...
What's it?
Which kind of like fidget toy this was?
How much was it?
$10.
$10 for that thing?
Yeah. It's better than the fidget spinner.
How is it better?
Because this thing has a lot more like things to play with, and you can bring it to school.
The fidget spinner's $10? No.
So you're saying this thing's worse?
A lot worse for $10. Fidget spinner's like $3.
Yeah. But these things are better, so that's why they cost more money.
3 fidget spinners for one of those. What makes them better? How do you fidget better than if something else?
Well, there's a lot more stuff to use on this thing.
That's it.
Yeah, there's way more things
It
to
all
play
seems
with.
pretty lame.
I'm gonna go to like 3 of them. This one's also pretty cool. I'm gonna say this is probably one of those thingies from a controller, like the Xbox One controller. Wait, is it? Okay, yeah, it is. It actually looks like it.
Pad? The Xbox One does not have a pad.
Oh my god.
A 3DS has a pad.
Okay, because it's a part of the 3DS thing.
It's not a part of anything, it's just a thing.
Okay.
3DS has pad.
I know it has.
Switch has buttons like that. Chica! Get out of here!
Chico thinks you're playing with them. And yeah, I think that's all I'm going to be able to show you today. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. And yeah, just subscribe to my channel. That's all I can say. And make sure to leave a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!